Alright, hope this is fun. We're going to unbox a Morris X5 mag. The X5 goes in the generator hole of a Sportster. Ironhead Sportster. So we got a little protective stuff, some paper, some more paper, some instructions with a wrench. Okay, that's kind of cool. Looks like a Morris Magneto decal. So they're basic instructions. Okay, that's cool. This is the drive gear, I'm assuming. This mag's like their most expensive mag. A couple $1,000, almost a couple $1,000 by the time you get it here. That's the fiber gear that goes against the idler normally. This one, right? So I think we're changing out the idler gear. So here's some anti-rust or rust prevention paper. Okay, that's kind of cool. So this gear meshes with the regular cam gears, and then this one, I'm guessing, meshes with the gear for the mag. Hold on, let me get any idler and see what that is. So that is the stock idler gear. So yeah, they basically made it half the distance, right? Got it? So they made it thinner. And by making this gear thinner, they were able to put this gear in there to run the mag. All right. So we're supposed to have to do a little bit of clearance. Some other paper in here. What's a $2,000 mag look like for an Ironhead? Kind of like this. So I didn't get it polished, I got it a satin finish. That's beautiful. So here's the billet adapter. Here's the other adapter that adapts it to the case, the drive gear. Ability to adjust the timing, right? The slot down here is corresponding slot on the top side. You can kind of see it in there, right? Let me grab a screwdriver. We'll take a look at the inside. This is the unit that has the auto advancer and the rare earth magnets and basically all the options. So, all right, straight blade number 2. Hold on 1 second. Couple seconds, actually. So. You can order it with red, black, or clear colored caps. I was going to have them adapt an XR750 mag to this bike, but it was just going to be too much work to do the magnets and all the conversions, so I just decided just to get one of these instead. Alright. Actually, let me get a little smaller screwdriver I can spin quicker. So cap feels a little bit spring-loaded. Nothing like taking brand new stuff apart, right? Not knowing how it's going together and trying to look through a viewfinder. All right, so there we go. Pretty nice piece. Everything's brand new. Looks like it's a billet housing. All right, guys. Well, so we'll try to fit it, and we'll see. You know what? Let's just slide it up in there real quick. Hold on 1 second. Let's go over here. We've got the side case out of this one, so you're obviously not supposed to have to take it that far apart. We got a bushing stuck when we tore this thing down. We're doing a little cam change at the same time, just of the exhaust cams. We're changing them over, since we're talking about this, to these right here, which are original Sifton, what do they call them? Oh, they call them Boss cams. So it was a bump for the exhaust cam when you're running P's. So it's got regular P's on the intake, and then you go ahead and put these in the exhaust. I'm not sure if it's a drop-in or not. Supposedly the timing's a little different. I'm not sure about, so the duration's a little different. I'm not sure about the, you can see the lobes right there. I'm not sure really, the lift is really close to standard. So anyways, here's basically what we're gonna do. This bike's gonna get some yellow wires. It's just kind of period stuff, you know. So the mag's gonna sit in this hole right here. Something about like that, right? Gonna be pretty cool. So I'll do a let me just I wish I could leave it setting in there for right now, just get an idea of how cool that thing looks. Anyways, yeah, we'll do an install video, and I'm pretty sure something needs to get clearanced in the cam cover. So just one last look. There's the adapter, the gear. Slicely made. Doesn't look super old, so I mean, if you were looking for something that looked, you know, super old, this isn't it. Oh, it looks like we need some cam lube. Alright, yeah, so we'll be lubing that point cam, and we'll check the point gap and stuff anyway. It's supposed to already be tested and ready to run, but should be something new and interesting, especially running this new 38 millimeter lake injector. So lake injector, Boss cams, mag on my old John Harmon built Ironhead. So we'll get on it, get it done, and get back to you.